this video. It's all about my new tire stickers. So here it is, guys. I got my package from tirestickers.com, my custom logo tire stickers for my Blade GT2 Plus e-scooter. And I know this is going to look amazing. I'm so super excited about this, but I wanted to talk about the package a little bit from tirestickers.com and show you what you get when you buy the permanent stickers package, which is what I have here. So on the back side, obviously, here's what you get in the kit. I'll just open it up. Obviously, the first things first is the stickers themselves. And I gotta say, guys, what great quality this really is. Like, they're raised letter graphic stickers, permanent. You use glue to put these on, but just the feel of it, I can tell. The back of it, it's a good thickness too. Anyways, my logo, well, you'll be seeing it soon. It's basically 4 words. It's really only 2 words, but they split it into 4. I think that's better too, in order to put it on. They're really, really nice. Also, you get, obviously, the main thing which you're going to need is the glue. You definitely need the special glue to get them on there and make them permanent and not come off and all that. And then lastly, you get is the cleaner. This was a surprise. I guess they have a specially formulated rubber bright cleaner to clean them. That's probably going to be awesome, I'm sure. So yeah, so in the next little while, I'm going to be getting these babies installed. But right now, I've just been marveling at how nice they really are. I got to tell you guys, tirestickers.com. Who would have thought? And another thing too is how fast this deal came about. Like, I'm all the way up here in Canada, and I believe they're down in California. This only took about, I'd say, probably 6 business days to complete, like to actually have this processed and sent to me, which I thought was super, super fast. So yeah, tirestickers.com. Go there if you want to have awesome decals like this. Obviously not just for scooters. I should mention my scooter tires are only 11 inches. So obviously it's smaller than what this kind of tire stickers, what most people buy them for, which obviously they're big muscle cars or exotic cars with like 20 to like 22, 23 inch tires on. But it makes no difference, obviously, the size. Whatever you want, you can get it done, custom made at tirestickers.com. And I gotta say, guys, I am really blown away by the quality of their work, their craftsmanship. It's really good, trust me. Anyways, see you in the next one. Yeah, guys, so now we've got the scooter up and ready to start this installation of the new tire stickers. So first things first is we're going to clean the outside tire with some acetone. And I should mention too that my scooter is actually only a month old, so I don't have any chemicals or Armor All or anything like that on the tires right now. So they're pretty clean, other than just really dusty. I did wipe them off pretty good though before I'm starting this. So again, guys, just a little bit of acetone on a microfiber cloth or a cloth or whatever, and let's just get to wiping. You want to definitely do this long enough. I should mention though that off camera, before I started the video, I already did wipe them down 2 or 3 times. But again, just trying to show you like what you really want to do. They recommend too that you don't skimp on this part, guys. So you really just want to get it as clean as possible. As I said before, my scooter is relatively new. It's only a month old, so I don't really have any chemicals or any Armor Alls or tire shiners or anything like that on these tires. So they're relatively clean. Oh, and another thing, guys, the little Nobi things there, you got to get rid of those too, because they'll kind of bother the letters when you try to put them on. Again, I already went ahead and I just cut all of mine off on all sides. So those little Nobi things, the little hair things that are on the tire, you just want to cut those off because they will interrupt, like, you know, the placement of the tire stickers. So again, guys, like I said, it's already been wiped. So just trying to give you a basic idea of how you want to clean and prep the tires before you put on your tire stickers, okay? Okay, guys, so now that the tire is cleaned, the next step now, what I want to do, because like I said, my tire stickers are in basically 4 stickers to create 2 words. So, of course, I wanted to lay them out, and I'm going to prep them a little bit. So, here's one here, and I'm just going to take the rag that has the acetone on it and just give it a little wipe on the back. Just if there's any like little leftover debris from the packaging on there. They look relatively clean though. I don't really see any little debris, but still probably a good idea, guys, just give it a little wipe at the back. And next step is now to apply the glue. Earlier I was playing around with it, and I do feel though having it in my hand sort of like that, there's a little edge of the sticky transfer tape paper that I can kind of hold with my thumb right there. So here's the glue. Again, I just want to say too though, the glue is really powerful stuff. So you really want to get this on the right way. Actually, I was using the cardboard envelope that came with it. I just kind of placed the sticker. Oh, and wait guys, one other thing. Wait, I went a little bit too far there. It's really, this step now is measuring and kind of predetermining where you want the tire sticker to go. And in my case, my tires have, like, you know, the tires logo and stuff on it. So what I was trying to do was find a spot where it's more smooth and like not as much embossed lettering. And I feel that that's probably the best way to go. You could use a piece of chalk. I feel that's another good thing to kind of like put a little mark on each side of the sticker to kind of, so you just have a visual of where it wants to go. Again, these stickers, and of course all stickers from tirestickers.com, are already going to come with the right curvature for the size and curve of tire that you have. So that's also a good indication. But like I was saying, guys, like maybe just predetermining where you want it to go ahead of time. And even I thought too, with using some chalk, like maybe on each side to kind of give you a visual, and maybe you could do that as well for the rest of it. And there you go. So I'm going to do this step off camera because it's just a little bit too hard to kind of hold it and get the camera angle and that. But the next shot, you'll see that how it'll be applied, okay?
Carefully apply the glue to the back side of the sticker, making sure to apply the glue evenly and smoothly. Now align the sticker onto your predetermined location. Once applied, you must hold the sticker firmly while smoothly rubbing the sticker slowly back and forth until adhesion occurs, which will only be about a minute or so, due to the very strong glue.
And here it is, guys, the completed tire stickers on my Blade GT2 Plus e-scooter. I am so friggin' happy about the way this turned out. They look absolutely amazing. The quality of these stickers, the way they, and the glue too, like the whole process of how it goes on is just so solid. I am so happy with this end result. I'm telling you guys, TireStickers.com to get your tire stickers done and made, and you'll be so happy. The quality, the fit, the finish, and of course the end result, you see it for yourself. Then this is just on an e-scooter. Applications for all your tires, all your sizes. Get your custom logo tire stickers at TireStickers.com. Take care.